Popular DNA tests that claim to tell you where you are from.
23andMe says it can now tell customers if they are at a higher risk for developing type 2 diabetes.
It's an easy way to find out where you came from, your heritage, your ancestry.
I just took a DNA test.
At-home DNA tests have gained more popularity over the past few years. Today, with some technology and a few clicks, we can order a kit and receive an elaborate description of our own personal DNA. But the question at hand here is, how accurate are these DNA kits? DNA testing can tell you roughly about your genetic history. In 2003, humans finally sequenced our own DNA, which was a massive milestone in understanding us as individuals. Almost every single cell in our body contains DNA. For that DNA to be tested, it has to be split up. Once the DNA is split, it has to be put onto a microarray. This device has hundreds and thousands of holes called wells, which are all unique to different regions of our genome. At-home DNA tests like Ancestry DNA or 23andMe typically work by looking at spots in your genome called single nucleotide polymorphisms, also known as SNPs. Each SNP is a specific location where there are known variations from person to person. Companies make their assumptions about your ancestry by analyzing thousands, even millions of SNPs. This information is gathered by the company's lab by analyzing the saliva of the person who purchased the DNA kit. Dr. Brian Weiser is an assistant professor at Rowan University School of Osteopathic Medicine.
When you're looking at a lot of these kits, right, you're looking targeted at specific mutations, specific variants in genes. And so when you're doing that, you don't actually need to do like this bulk sequencing, like Sanger sequencing. Really what you do is you just need to look for that specific variant. And that's how you can use something like a chip that has different DNA sequence printed in different wells of the chip.
I sat down with Rowan University student Victoria Todorova to talk about her experience with Ancestry DNA.
I was born in Bulgaria, Europe, so I thought it was 100% one thing. But according to DNA, I am 48% Eastern Europe. And they give regions, and in that region, it gives 10 different countries. And then I have 47% Greece and the Balkans, and then that's also like regions, like 5 different regions. But one thing I do know is that I am 5% Italian.
American journalist Jeff Rosen investigated 3 different types of DNA kits with identical triplet sisters. All of the results matched up with one another, proving the accuracy of these tests.